We survived our attack by the Gill Man and are celebrating Paul's birthday. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Today is Paul's birthday and we're celebrating on a lavish cruise, and a fabulous friend has joined us for the occasion. Grab your cocktail shaker and make this lovely libation along with us so that we can all toast the birthday boy. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of bourbon, 1/2 ounce passion fruit syrup, 1/2 ounce tamarind syrup, and 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and top with a splash of Cheerwine soda. Happy birthday! Did you get everything you want for your birthday?
Now I did.
Aw. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to join us Thursday on Facebook at 7 p.m. Eastern for another of our Liquored Up live broadcasts. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.